FP1 MotoGP Sassuolo 2025. In BAstianini hospitalized with appendicitis out of German MotoGP. The appendicitis also put a question mark over Bastianini for next weekend. Test round at Brno, the final event before the summer break. So the replacement is so KTM coach called about if test rider Paul Spargaro or Dani Pedrosa. However, neither has reached this year, with KTM electing not to use any of its wildcards so far. LCR Honda has confirmed that MotoGP rookie Somket Chatra underwent surgery on his injured knee in Barcelona.
Das Geil ist hier noch am
The team
Aufnehmen.
also announced that
Ja,
while
jetzt
Le
so ein
Mans
Tech
winner
Talk hier bei Tech
Handarko will
Free.
ride along in
Ey, die Milka auch mehr.
Germany this weekend,
Florian
Takaki
halt auch.
Nakagami will return to RCR in place
Ja, klar.
of the Thai rider for the following test round at Brno. Chantra, who made a history for Thailand by scoring his first MotoGP point at Assen, sustained a lateral collateral ligament injury in his right knee during an off-road training race last week. MotoGP Championship leader Marc Marquez has urged to the F1 Racing Federation to help the family of ex-Moto2 racer Borja Gomez following the 20-year-old death. Gomez was killed in an accident during a pre-event test season for the Junior GP Championship round at Mexico in France last week. The former MotoGP racer who contested 15th Grand Prix between 2022 and 2023 had been competing in the European Superstock Championship on the Junior GP wheel. Honda MotoGP rider Marini admits he is only 80% fit for this weekend German Grand Prix, but was expecting worse for his recent Suzuka's hour test crash.
Last year I was struggling a lot, but I think that now
Fabio Quartararo expects to ride Yamaha new V4 MotoGP prototype for the first time in September. Alex Marquez to be reviewed after FP1 at German MotoGP. Alex Marquez gets the green light to start this week in German MotoGP after a hand injury.
Entonces no sé aquí los mandos cómo va. Claro.
facile. Cioè, io ero il primo coglione in controllo space.